Don't you just love the rain? Random car. Random ice cream truck. Ooh, ice cream. Fortunately, I'm too poor to buy an ice cream for ice cream truck, so I'll just get my own. Ooh. So basically, it's absolutely pouring. As you can see, supposedly it's to be a thunderstorm. It's humid as fuck. Damn seagull. Or oh, it's warm, very warm. Why am I out here? That lasted long. Fuck that. So basically, all day, I've done nothing. But absolutely nothing. All day in this house. In this boring village. It's just been pouring all day. Hopefully thunder comes and I can do a video when that comes. It'll be pretty fun. Look at that telly. Look at that TV. Damn. But yeah, fuck. Back in this wonderful room. New York shit everywhere, mate. See that? By the way, see, cause I'm from Scotland, you probably won't understand some of the words I say, like aye, and no, and what. But we'll probably make a separate video on that, what they mean. Either again, what. Okay, so hopefully in time you'll be able to understand me, but we'll see. Look at that rain, man. Oh, I just want to go out naked and run about in it. That's a plan. Yes, come on. Okay, the target is that hot. Right there. Compose yourself, Kieran. Compose yourself. Let's go. Oh shit. Okay. Open it. We're in. Oh. Damn door new shit. Holy shit. Spiders everywhere in here. I don't like this. Oh shit. You what? Fuck. Shut the door, eh? Shut. God damn it. So yeah, this vlog has been really random and pointless, frankly, but oh well. I've nothing interesting to share today. Might go a jog later actually. I'm into all that kind of shiz. Whoa, suddenly I've changed clothes. And it's the next day. Strange. Nah, basically the file corrupted yesterday's video, so this is just the end of yesterday's video. Basically saying if you liked the video you can like, if you didn't, dislike, just please show support, subscribe, comment, feedback please. Thank you, and I'll see you guys later.